So the third page has a thing. It says Quiz 8 Practice at the top. Okay, so Quiz 8 Practice. That's the quiz we're doing, or the practice we're doing right now. Problem number 1. What is this? Can you tell?
Box.
That's a hyperbola. Now, if you are at all confused, you shouldn't be. That's a minus right there. That means it's hyperbola. But look at the information I asked for. See where it says asymptotes? Okay, that should be a clue to you. Okay, this is hyperbola because the only thing that has asymptotes is a hyperbola. So if you can't tell from the equation, look at the questions and that should reveal it to you. All right, so here we go. Where's my center? You're going to fill in that blank. Where's the center? 2, -1. So you have put that down as the center. Now, from the center, we're going to count sideways how many? And up and down how many? And I'm going to build the box. And I'm going to draw in my diagonals. Now, somewhere in there are my vertices. But I can't know what the vertices are until I know which way my hyperbola opens. It's a sideways one. And we know, so the side of the box right here, see that's your vertex. The side of the box, that's your vertex. And I know it opens sideways, or Olivia knew it opened sideways, because which letter comes first? X. And X is this way. Through your whole life, this has been X. So what are your vertex points? The coordinates of your vertices. You got 2 of them. And what are they going to be? So I'm going to, how many forward am I going? 4? If I go forward 4, this would be 6, -1, wouldn't it? And this one would be -2, -1. Those are my vertex points. -2, -1, 6, -1. Is that okay with everybody? That means that my transverse axis is how long? 8. And my conjugate axis is how long? Okay, let's not miss those. Is everybody good with that? Those are easy points. Now, where are my foci?
-3, -1.
Now, they're back here. Yeah, let me get them up here first. They're back here.
It's fine.
And I need to figure out this distance. Count from the center. So the distance from the center to the focus is going to be the square root of 16 plus 9, which is 5. So I'm going to start at my center and add 5. So that puts me at 7, -1. Is that right? And then -3, -1. Is that what you said, Olivia?
Yep.
So the red points are my foci. What's left? Gotta find my asymptotes. So here we go. The point I'm going to use is 2, -1. And what's the slope I'm going to use? 3/4? 3/4? and negative 3/4.
Wait, I'm sorry, how did you get the 3/4?
Start at the center.
Okay.
How many up did I count? How many up did I count?
3.
How many over did I count? There you go. There's your slope. Slope is rise over run. Up over over.
Can you stop?
Okay, so I'm gonna write my line. You do it how you want to do it. I'm using point slope again because that's what I like the best. So I got y equals 3/4 x minus 5/2. Now again, that's gonna take you a little longer, maybe. I don't know, you're gonna type it out in a calculator. But that's, you need to be able to do this. You need to be able to write the equation of lines.
That's plus a half.
It's what?
That's gonna be plus a half.
Oh, okay. Yes, you're right. It's negative 3/4 x plus a half. You are exactly right. And there are the equations of my asymptotes. Okay? We're going to quickly do question number 2. Does anyone have a question about one of these steps? We've done several hyperbolas today. All right, we're going to get number 2 down. It's the easy one. What's number 2 on this practice quiz?
The blank thingies.
It's a circle. Yes, the blank thingy. It's a circle. So x squared minus 4x plus blank, y squared minus 10y plus blank equals
3.
Yep, don't forget to move the 3 over, plus blank plus blank. Some of us are missing this on these quizzes. Be careful, you can do this. Move that 3 over, it becomes positive. Now, what goes in the blank? Half of 4.
125.
Half of 4 is 2 squared is 4. Half of 10 is 5 squared is 25. Everybody okay with that?
32.
Is that all right so far? All right, who can tell me what that is?
X minus 2.
Y minus 5.
X minus 2 squared. Who can tell me what this is?
Y minus 5.
Y minus 5 squared. 32. So your center is 2 comma 5. And your radius, be careful, root 32 is actually 4 root 2. Remember to reduce the radical if you can. No, not until I have to. You have to come back and get it. Just come back and get it. And I'll hang outside. Those of you who need field trip forms, if I get permission from your parents, I'll get outside the door. I'm not in here. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't think you have my
Hands off. You said hands off.
Make sure you take the time to help us.
We're not going to help throw any parties. Wait, what? Wait, what? There's only 2 parties in town and then 1 out. Where's the 1 out? No, Jess.
Bye. It's not Friday. It's not Friday.
He's going
It's
with his
their
slow
Friday. Okay, wait, please.
Because she's giving us, that means like it's 10 minutes.
No, she's
Usually.
I
So if you have like, let's say a 6 minus 4i, 6 is going to become part of this, you know, that's when you get a,
It's like
well,
6 negative 4.
let's say we go this,
It's 36.
Yeah, right one on the board.
16,
Right one on the board. Mike.
Like, look, it's like 6
What's 36 plus 16?
minus
What?
4i. This is an extra number, that's the x, that's the y.
Dude,
So that would be
literally
the,
everything comes
I think that's still
out.
right.
I know.